Buenos días, clase, ¿cómo están? Es martes, el 17 de noviembre. It's Tuesday, 17th. In your in-class instruction, you should be looking at the verb pensar, which I have right over my right shoulder. This verb is a little different. It's very similar to venir and tener. Those two verbs, we just memorize them, right? Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen. Vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, because it's an IR verb, ends in IMOS. Vienen. All right, so this one is an AR verb. All right, pensar means to think or plan. And in your in-class instruction, it has the textbook explanation of the different reasons why and how you will use this verb pensar. I would highly suggest you go over and read down through that. But the simple explanation means to think and plan or plan. So this is actually an E to IE stem changer. An E to IE stem changer. So what that means is that in the stem here, the PEN, not the ending, because we know we're going to drop this and add our normal regular AR endings. This AR is going to go away. But in this stem, all right, we're going to get rid of the E and we're going to add IE. Just like we did for tener, just like we did with venir. Right? You guys I didn't teach it to you that way. We just simply memorized those. So in the yo form, we would get rid of the E. This would become pienso, P-I-E-N-S. Drop the AR. Our normal yo form ending is O, pienso. All right, the to form is going to be piensas, P-I-E-N-S, and now we drop the AR and add regular ending, A-S, piensas. You plan or you think. Piensa, he or she plans or thinks, P-I-E-N-S-A. All right, now, anytime we have these stem changers where they're E to I-E, the nosotros form will never, ever, ever stem change. Ever. Forever, ever? Ever, ever? Ever. It's never going to stem change. Noticed in venir, it didn't, right? Venimos, didn't have no IE. And then tener, it didn't either. Tenemos, okay? So the nosotros never stem changes. Never, all right? Pensamos, P-E-N, and then our regular AR ending, A-M-O-S, for the we form. And then back to the stem change again, P-I-E-N-S-A-N. So piensan. So here's our normal ending, A-N for regular AR verb, and here's where we change from E to I-E. Okay, so this means I think, you think, he, she thinks, we think, they think. Or I plan, you plan, he, she plans, we plan, you or you all plan. Okay? There are other verbs like pensar. All right, cerrar means to close. All right, and it is also an E to IE stem changer. All of these are E to IE stem changers. So you're only going to change this E to IE. This gets conjugated regularly. Empezar means to start. So the stem this is the ending. This is the stem that changes. Not this. This is prefix. Oops. Prefix. Stem. All right, we're talking about this E that's changing. So this would be tú empiezas. E-M-P-I-E-Z-A-S. All right, you start. All right, encender, again, this is your prefix. Here's your stem. So be so ella enciende. It's going to change from here, E to I-E. It's an ER verb now, so we drop the ER and we add our E ending. All right, preferir, to prefer. Encender means to light. All right, to light, like to light up or to light a fire. Preferir, to prefer. Again, this is the prefix. Look, it even says pre, P-R-E. This is the stem that is going to change. So preferir, this E here goes to I-E. So in the yo form would be yo prefiero, right? But in the nosotros form, remember we said up here, the nosotros is not ever going to change. So down here, all right, there's no stem change because I have nosotros preferimos. All right, and it's an IR verb, so it ends in IMOS. All right, you're starting to see the importance of why we had to memorize those AR, ER, and IR regular tense endings, because here they're showing up. All right, querer. All right, this is not querer. All right, this is querer. All right, we want to pronounce that correctly. All right, only the E is changing. The U doesn't change. All right, remember it's E to IE. We don't change the U. All right, the U is not incorporated in the stem change. So this would be QU, and then it goes IE, R, drop the ER, add the ending to the normal subject. So ellos quieren, Q-U-I-E-R-E-N, quieren. All right, this means to want or to love. And then sentir means to feel. So ustedes sienten, E goes to I-E, N-T-E-N. And the nosotros form again, remember, it's not gonna stem change. Nosotros sentimos, S-E-N-T, because it's an I-R verb, now it goes I-M-O-S. All right, so encender in the nosotros would be nosotros encendemos, E-N-C-E-N-D-E-M-O-S, would not stem change, okay? So these verbs all conjugate exactly like pensar. They change in a stem from E to IE, and then their endings end exactly like they would, like we've learned already, regular AR, ER, and IR endings. I would say memorize and learn where the stem is. Our endings we already know, all right, and we should know, you should definitely learn how to conjugate the verb pensar and what it means. All right, I'll repeat again. Cerrar means to close. Empezar means to start. Encender means to light. All right. Preferir means to prefer. Querer, to want or love. And then sentir is to feel. All right. Now, I can't give you a rule of how do you know that these are stem changers, like all the ones that have this in the middle or start with this letter or finish with that letter. There's no fixed rule that I can give you, no trick. You simply have to memorize that these are E to IE stem changers. All right. Unfortunately, it's just the way the cookie crumbles with these, and sometimes just requires some memorization. But please memorize that all of these are stem changers. Okay. As you continue on, this is Tuesday, but as you continue on with today and then the rest of the week, and we go over different activities with pensar and verbs like it, hopefully this video will give you the tools and the information that you need to be able to do those things. Again, as always, if you need help, you know how to reach me. We'll see you on Thursday for our Zoom, and if you have any questions, write them down so that you remember when you get to that point, you can ask those questions. All right? Adiós y hasta el jueves. Chao pues.